I don't think I really need to introduce Theobroma to an audience comprising Indians, right? We have all tried either a brownie or a dessert from Theobroma. But what's interesting here is that India में बहुत सारी bakeries है. हर गली गली में लोग केक्स बेच रहे हैं on a freelance level, on a business level, or trying to open a chain. सब try कर रहे हैं. But what made Theobroma successful then? मतलब Theobroma was also just another dessert place started in Colaba, Mumbai by two sisters. What made it so successful and stand out from the rest of the bakeries in our country? Food business एक ऐसा business है जो लोगों को लगता है कि सबसे easy form of business है. जब तुम्हें कुछ और नहीं आता है, you can always open a cafe, you can always open a restaurant or a theka or something like that in India. But that's not how it works. Whenever an industry seems easy, there is always so many hidden difficult parts of that industry which we as an outsider do not see initially. So making a food business a big business and then making it profitable जिससे तुम्हें एक steady income आती रहे is a very tough job, especially in a country like India. So what made Theobroma special? Now you might think it was an overnight success, which was not the case. The founder of Theobroma, Kinaz Messmer, and her sister who started this, Kinaz was initially working with Oberoi Hotels as a pastry chef, and she has also graduated from Indian Institute of Hotel Management, and like she has a good experience as such. So you cannot just think that it was just because she just decided to bake something and it just was an overnight success. That's not how it works. When it comes to food business in India, two things matter. One is the product and second is the marketing. When it comes to food, first thing is you have to be uniform across all your outlets when it comes to the taste. And second, the taste has to be that good कि your mouth publicity is bigger than any form of marketing that you can do for food business. थर्ड, मैंने बहुत बार लोगों को ये बोलते हुए सुना है कि एक शेफ रख लेंगे, वो खाने का काम बनाने का कर लेगा. That's not how it works. You cannot just appoint a chef and expect it to be the best chef in town, right? You have to work on your taste अगर तुम्हें एक बड़ा चेन और सस्टेनेबल फूड चेन बनाना है इन द फूड बिजनेस. सेकेंड कम्स मार्केटिंग. और मार्केटिंग को ना शॉर्ट रन में बहुत लोग बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं एंड इन द लॉन्ग रन दे डिस्कवर दैट मार्केटिंग के फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन कितने इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली इन अ वर्ल्ड वेर इन पीपल टेंड टू पोस्ट एवरीथिंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया एज टू व्हाट दे आर ईटिंग. पैकेजिंग इतना इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस सेंस बिकॉज पैकेजिंग से एक साइकोलॉजी होती है. इफ कस्टमर फाइंड्स द पैकेजिंग वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, दे डोंट क्वेश्चन द क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड. पर अगर पैकेजिंग शैबी है ना, दे विल फर्स्ट थिंग दिस फूड की क्वालिटी भी खराब होगी. That's why it matters a lot. After packaging comes social media. When it comes to a normal food business, maybe not, but when it comes to brand building, social media को कभी भी तुम underestimate मत करो. Be it food business, be it clothing business. Social media का power आज के time में ऐसा नहीं है कि it will convert into sales. It doesn't necessarily have to convert into sales every time. What matters is also brand awareness and brand trust, which social media के through ही build हो सकता है over a period of time. Second, food business में visual appeal बहुत matter करती है. When you look at a food and you're just like salivating on the spot, wherein you're just like, I want to try that. That matters a lot. How you position your food into the right kind of consumer, वो बहुत matter करता है on social media. Talking about Theobroma, क्या Theobroma के आने से पहले इंडिया में ब्राउनी नहीं मिलती थी? बिल्कुल मिलती थी. What they did is they revolutionized the whole sector by providing such good quality in the same food and also so much more variety. उन लोगों ने दिखाया कि ये प्रोडक्ट इतना अच्छा भी हो सकता है. And other than that, we have all been to a Theobroma store. We have seen the color combination used in the interior of the store, how it brings peace, joy, and a smile to a person's face. There is logic behind that, the reason they have done it a particular way, and how every taste is similar throughout all the stores of Theobroma all over India. Other than that, what helped Theobroma is its placement as a brand which works with quality ingredients, quality ambience, and the pricing of Theobroma was also like, ना तो हम cheap है, ना ही हम expensive है. When it started, it was now because of standard of living of people, it has turned into a brand which is like, yeah, it's not expensive, it's cheap. But initially when it started, the brand positioning was like, we are not very cheap, but we are also not very expensive. And it was also not like कि हमने rapid expansion कर दिया. The first store that they opened, they did not just rapidly expand. They waited for that store to be profitable. They waited कि bro, ये store now it's working so well. And then they realized कि product में दम है. Then they realized कि this could be a thing wherein it's a chain of restaurants all over the country. Also, one of the biggest myths which people have is ये business start करना easy in terms of funds because इसको start करने के लिए ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं चाहिए. ट्रस्ट में एक आउटलेट या एक छोटा सा कुछ स्टार्ट करने के लिए पैसे नहीं चाहिए होंगे, बट थियो ब्रोमा वाज स्टार्टेड बाय the founder taking 1 crore rupees as loan from her own dad because they had the financial capability to pay money to them and they had the capability to support her even if अगर ये fail हो जाता है तो if you have money which is risky, if you have money जो चले जाने से तुम पे financially बहुत बड़ा loss हो सकता है, बहुत असर हो सकता है, do not just dive into the food business thinking it's the easy way out. It's not easy. You see so many restaurants closing down every single day, so many cafes closing down within a month or two. Do not just dive into food business thinking it's easy. Second, do not think that ये बहुत कम capital लगेगा. Even starting a small cloud kitchen will take 10 lakh out of your pocket minimum in India, and starting a restaurant full-fledged wherein there is sitting capacity will take 20 to 30 lakh minimum. And if you want to build a brand, and if you want to build a brand in a place which is like a posh area wherein like Theo Brahma was started in Colaba, which is also a well-to-do area of Mumbai, they took 1 crore rupees from their dad. That's not easy, and if it does not come with that much money, do not just directly start thinking कि यार without पैसे भी कोई भी चीज हो सकती है. Business के लिए capital चाहिए होता है और वो चाहिए ही होता है. That's it for today's video. I am Aneri and मेरे फोन का स्टोरेज अब खत्म हो गया है तो वीडियो को भी अब हम खत्म कर देंगे. I think one of the food businesses when it comes to desserts that I want to cover is also Belgian waffle because that's also a profitable business and I want to see the model how it started. If you also want me to cover that, let me know in the comment section. Or if you want to cover any other business which I can analyze or any other startup which I can analyze for you guys, let me know in the comment section. I have an Instagram which is completely different content from YouTube. So please follow me on my Instagram Aneri Thakkar _ I will put my Instagram link in the description below. तो मुझे वहां पे भी फॉलो कर देना और तुम्हें जो भी फीडबैक है लेट मी नो अबाउट यूट्यूब, अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम. आई कैन टेक क्रिटिसिज्म. तो चलेगा, गाली भी दे सकते हो, तारीफ भी कर सकते हो, बात भी कर सकते हो. बाय.